Good morning, student. I am Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you harvesting and storage. In previous classes, I discussed the topic of irrigation and weeds. Today I discuss the topic of harvesting and storage. Harvesting is a crop of cutting of crop after into it is mature is called harvesting. When our crop is mature after 3 to 4 months, then cutting it, that is called say to harvesting. The cutting of crop after it is matured is called harvesting. Harvesting of a crop an important task, because if before mature, after mature is cutting the crops, then many things are happen. Before cutting the matured of crop, then more moisture in the grain, and after mature cutting, then that is the grain outside in the field in cutting duration, in the drop inside the ground. So in cutting time, in cutting duration, 10 to 20% moisture are inside the grain. Then that times our crop is matured, and that time cutting of that crop, say that is say to harvesting. Or it is generally 3 to 4 months. It is generally 3 to 4 months of cereal crop to mature. Means our crop approx 3 to 4 months, then it is matured. Means that time, that duration, our crop is cutting cuttings schedule are generally develop our crops grain in 3 to 4 months. Then 20% approx moisture inside the grain, then that time is say to matured crop, and that is harvesting of that crops. Harvesting crops, grain, seed need to be separate from the chaff. This process is called to threshing. Means when cutting our crops, then separate from grain and that plants, that is say to chaff or threshing process. In the March and April month, you are watching inside the village side and field area, our farmer, that is many wheat plants are threshing through the by manually and by machinery, that is to separate from that plant to grain. That process is say to threshing, that is separate of plant to grain. Some old process that in January and December month you are watching our farmer, the winnowing process of paddy plants to paddy, that is the beating on a surface, then winnowing process through the air blow the plants, the dust means plants that parts are removed from air and grains are solid then down on the field. That process is say to, that is the that is just say to the, that is the winnowing process. Next, our topic is storage. Storage, crop grains are to be kept for longer times. When crops are harvesting, then again situation comes out, that is a storage of that grains, that crops in the particular place, because more grains are come inside and it is used in a year, so that duration are safely storage in a in a in a microorganism, pests, rat, the insect, that moisture and that types of these things to safely storage in the granary house, godowns, cold storage, that is are in the safely storage of these grains. That is the storage process. In this process mainly removing from the moisture, so moisture is more important thing, that is the removing of that process, because if generally inside the grain moisture is here, then that is fungi and microorganisms are developed inside the grain. Rats are, that is the grain damage, and more moisture, then germination problem of the that grains. Insect, rat and microorganism are damage of our grain. So without drying, that is a storage, then that is microbacteria are developed in the grain, so that times properly drying on the sun, and then that grains are a storage, and it is the process of chemical process through that insect and pesticide are cleaning, and the neem leaves are generally put on the grains, so insect and bacteria are far away from these grains, and more process, chemically process and manually process, then process are developed to that grain are safely in a storage in granary house, that is the storage of grain. Okay, thank you.